Yo, look at this. Yo, Mom, this is crazy, Mom. Look at how bad it is. Oh, God, okay.
Butter. See this right here? Can you see right now?
Yeah?
Think over there where Cletus is at.
What the fuck?
What? What?
Don't tell me that's a cockroach.
What happened? That's a cockroach.
Ah! Close the door. Wait! No, wait!
What was that?
You better go, because I want to...
But look how bad it is, y'all. Let me zoom in. Look how bad it is. Mom, I remember I used to cry when this happened, Mom.
No. No. We're going to drown.
Don't bring that up.
Make water up. That's what you used to say. We're going to drown, Mom.
But now I'm brave now.
It's gonna flow.
But now I'm brave, Mom. So now, I mean, look at the ground, guys. Look at the ground, y'all. Look at the ground.
That doesn't mean...
I know, but it's like literally flooded. Hold on, I'm gonna step out here. Look at this, guys. This is okay. But this is actually crazy. Yep. Oh God. Look at the bottom. Oh God. Mom, come over here. Look at the bottom over here, Mom. Imagine you're walking here in the storm. What would you do, Mom? Call someone or what was that?
Just be happy. I would just be happy.
But are you gonna get sick, Mom, when you get soaked up, Mom? Guys, this is actually crazy, y'all. I mean, look at this. I mean, it is actually for people, but like this, what would you guys do? It is literally raining outside. Okay, why was that necessary? Guys, what would you do if you're below my age? What would y'all do? Cause this is crazy. And now I'm getting wetted on my feet. Even my brother's skateboard's getting wet. Can I record a little bit more, Mom? Oh, can I just record a little bit more, Mom? Well, that's it right there, guys. Holy crap. Look over there. Alright, y'all. Gotta hit side. Bye.